Welcome, family. My name is Damoun Lamar, and this is another segment of Living with Purpose. Today, we're going to talk about the subconscious mind again, but this time we're going to delve a little deeper. We're going to talk about using images to reprogram your subconscious mind. One way to use images to reprogram your subconscious mind is using visualization. The definition of visualization is formation of mental visual images, the act or process of interpreting in visual terms or of putting into visible form. Using visualization stimulates the subconscious mind. It gives your subconscious mind a direction. Now, here are 5 steps to getting started with visualization. First, you must know what you want. In order to visualize and manifest the kind of life you want, it's very important to have a clear idea of what you want and why. Secondly, describe your vision in detail. You can do this by writing it down on paper or recording it as I'm doing right now. Third, start your visualization and create the emotions. The emotional part of this is very important because this provides the energy your subconscious needs to make it reality. Fourth, you must always take a daily action because wishful thinking won't get you anywhere. Anything worth having includes a sacrifice, whether it's your personal energy, your time, or something you must do to push or give a nudge for it to be created. Fifth, you must persevere on whatever it is you're trying to envision or create into your reality. That means you must put in the work. Next, there is another method of impressing upon your subconscious mind, and it's by using vision boards. What is a vision board and how does it work? A vision board is a tool used to help clarify, concentrate, and maintain focus on a specific life goal. Literally, a vision board is a sort of board on which you display images that represent whatever you want to be, to do, or to have in your life. First, you must discern your intentions. This is the first step on how to make your vision board and make it, and also to get it to work. Gather your supplies. Those can be magazine clippings, newspaper clippings, images of any kind that describe what it is that you're wanting to create. Third, you create a sacred space. This is where you want to set everything up and have some privacy while doing it. Fourth, find your images plus the words that you're wanting to use to create your vision board. Find the ones that resonate and then paste them to a page or to your board. Put your vision board somewhere where you can see it. Write a make it feel real list. Notice, heal any resistance within you against the realization of the images on your board. This is very important. Now, take a few minutes to contemplate your vision board every day. To get the full benefits of your vision board, it's important for you to place it somewhere where you can see it every day. This one has worked a whole lot for me over the years. Next, I'm going to discuss using sigils. It's a symbol you create with the intention of changing your reality in accordance with your will. All sigils are encoded with a specific purpose. For example, you can attract a romantic partner. You can also set strong boundaries. You can become more financially prosperous. You can heal yourself. There's no limits to what a sigil can be used for. While sigils were used in the past to symbolize and conjure up spirits and energies, these days sigils are used in a personal way to symbolize, represent, and manifest our own desires. What? Yes, that's what I said. They were used to conjure up spirits and energies. All right, I know. For those who are not familiar with sigils or are feeling a little spooky about this, they are only aspects of your subconscious mind. Whether you know it or not, you see them every day on television, in advertisements, product logos, and even when you see symbols used by restaurants as you drive down the roads and highways. This is nothing new or creepy. I am only here to open your mind and shed some light so you can take control of your own thoughts. Because if you don't, someone else will. Now, how to create a sigil. First, you want to determine your intention. The first step is to decide what you want and being absolutely clear about it. Don't be vague about the details because you may regret the manner in which results are produced. 2, you want to make sure you obscure the meaning. You do this by first removing all the vowels from your sentence and jam all the letters together in one massive word. You can also discard any punctuation. Secondly, to obscure the meaning, remove all repeating consonants from your sentence. Layer the letters on top of letters, arrange them around each other, reverse them, turn them upside down, and add embellishing lines, arrows, circles, stars, moons, and swoops to shroud the meaning completely. This means use your artistic creativity. It can either be elaborate or not. 4th, forget the sigil. Here's the part most people skip. Now, in order for a sigil to effectively work, the original intention behind the sigil must be shrouded in mystery, or you must forget about what it means. And what its purpose is. 5th, you must charge the sigil. The final step in it is charging the sigil. This is filling the symbol with the necessary energy to accomplish its task. The symbol of desire is just a symbol until you charge it. Whether you call this energy ki, prana, mana, or force, you can manipulate it with your intentions. Some people use several different ways to do this. I mean, you can even use your anger, well up some anger within yourself from a situation, transmute that energy, and just see it pouring into that symbol. Doesn't matter. What you want to do is feed it the energy it needs in order to come alive, to fill it with your intent. Create your reality and impress upon your subconscious mind. I hope this has been helpful to you, and I hope it brings you much success. All right, family. This has been another good day. My name is Damoun Lamar. This has been Living with Purpose. Peace, family.